Good morning, kids. Welcome to Kids Corner with Srishti. Today we will be learning some birds' name. So this video is specially made for classes nursery to second. So without wasting time, let's start. First is peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. In Hindi, peacock is called more, and it is the national bird of our country. Next is Maina. Maina. M-Y-N-A. In Hindi, it is called Maina itself. The next one is Sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W. Sparrow. In Hindi, it is called Gauraiya. The next one is, it's really familiar with us. This is Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. It is called Tota in Hindi. This one is Woodpecker. W-O-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R. Woodpecker. In Hindi it is called Katfodwa. This one is Pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. In Hindi it is called Kabutar. This one is Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. It is called Batak. This one is also very familiar with us. Owl. O-W-L. Owl. It is called Ullu in Hindi. This is black crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. It is called Kawa in Hindi. And the last one is dove. D-O-V-E. Dove. It is called Dhavar or Fakta in Hindi. Thank you, kids. With this, we come to the end of our video. If you like this video, please also visit our other videos, as well as subscribe this channel, like this video and share this video with your friends also. Bye.